Good morning. Today we will discuss the instruction set of 8051 microcontroller. Third type, logical instruction set. Yeah, in logical instruction set, total 25 instructions available. Today we will discuss the part 3. In part 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In part 3, 7 instructions available. Clear, complement, rotate and swap instructions. Okay. In part 3, clear the accumulator content, complement, rotate and swap the instructions. First, we will discuss the 19 instruction CL or A. CL or A means to clear the accumulator content. Whatever data in A register, now to set all the 8-bit 00. Okay. First, we have to initialize what is the data in A register. MOV A, hash 95H. Now accumulator content 95. Now to clear accumulator 8-bit data, all the 8-bit 00. Here accumulator 95. 95 means 1001, 5 means 0101. Okay. CL or A after clear accumulator content. Now register A will be all the 8-bit data, all the 8-bit data 000. Okay. Now accumulator equal to 00H. This is the operation of to clear accumulator content. Whatever data in accumulator, now to clear all the 8-bit to set into 0. Okay. And next one, 20th instruction, CPLA. CPLA means complement the accumulator content. Complement the accumulator content, not some other register content. This is for to complement only A register content. Okay. Example, to initialize MOV A, 87H. 87H. Here the complement means 0 change into 1 and 1 change into 0. 0 to change into 1 and 1 change into 0. Here A register 87. 87 H means 1000 and 7 means 0111. Here CPL means complement the accumulator content. Okay, 0 change into 1 and 1 change into 0. Now, CPLA, complement accumulator content. Now, A register data, this is for 1 change into 0 and 0 change into 1. Here the 0 change into 1 and 1 change into 0. After CPL in register A, data 7, 8. Now accumulator to move the data 78H. This is the instruction of to complement the accumulator content and the result to move accumulator itself. 0 change into 1 and 1 change into 0. Next one, 21st instruction RLA. RLA means rotate accumulator content rotate accumulator content left, rotate accumulator content left. Here example MOV A comma as 39H in register A 39H. Now to rotate the accumulator content single times. Okay, here it will rotate the accumulator content left without carry status, without the carry status. This is for D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6 and D7. Okay, total 8-bit data. Left means the D7 data to move into D0 bit position. Left means it will move the data single bit position towards left side. The D7 bit data to move D6 and then D6 bit data to move D0, D0 data to move D2, D2 data to move D3 and D3 data to move D4, D4 to D5, D5 to D6 and D6 to D7. It will move the single bit data towards left side. Okay, here A register 39 means 0 0 1 1, 9 means 1 0 0 1. This is for D0 position and this is for D3 and this is for D4 and this is for D7. Now the D7 bit data to move D0 and then D0 bit data to move D1 position. Like we can write like this format. The D7 bit position data to move D0 bit and then Dn position data to move Dn plus 1 position. Here suppose D0, n means 0. The D0 data to move 0 plus 1 D1 position will be moved. Okay. After RLA, now the accumulator data, that is D7 data to move D0 position and then D0 to move D1, D1 to move D2, D2 to D3 and D3 to D4 like that. After accumulator, now register A equal to 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay. This is for D7 data to move D0 and then D1 position data to move D0 position data to move D1 and then D1 position data to move D2. Like that D6 position data to move D7. After RLA, now the accumulated result 72 H in A register. This is the operation of rotate accumulator content left without carry. Without carry, it will move the single bit movement towards left side. Okay. Next, 22nd instruction RLCA means rotate accumulator content left with carry. Previous one instruction RLA means rotate accumulator content left without carry. Here the carry bit data also to move towards to the left side. Okay. Rotate accumulator content left through carry. It will rotate the accumulator content single bit movement with the carry also. Okay. Here the position, this is for carry C1 and 8-bit position data like this. This is for D0 bit, D1, D2 and D3, D4, D5 and this is for D6 and D7. Here the D7 bit data to move carry and then carry bit data to move D0 bit and then D0 bit data to move D1, D1 to D2, D2 to D3 like that, D6 bit data to move D7. This is the operation of rotate accumulator content left with the carry also. The carry bit position to move D0 bit and then D7 bit to move carry. Okay. Example, MOV A comma 23H. Now accumulated data 23H. MOV hash 23H means the 23 data immediately to move accumulator. Now to clear the carry, the previous program, the carry will be any data, either 0 or 1. Now to clear the carry status, for that we can use CLRC. CLRC means to clear the carry. Now initially the carry equal to 0. After CLRC, this is for to clear the carry status. Now carry equal to 0. And then accumulator content A equal to 23. 23 means 0, 0, 1, 0. This is for 2. And 3 means 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay. Here the D7 bit data to move carry and then the carry status data to move D0 bit and then D0 bit data to move Dn position. For that we can represent Dn position data to move Dn plus 1 position. N plus 1 position. Okay. Now after R and C A, what will be the accumulator? What will be the accumulator data? Now A equal to 23 H 0, 0, 1, 0 and then 0, 0, 1, 1. Here the carry 0. Okay, carry bit position 0 and accumulator bit position. This is for 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. After RLCA, what will be the data in accumulator? This is for carry. This is for D7 to D0. Now the D7 data to move carry and then the carry data to move D0 bit position and D0 bit data to move D1 position. Like that D6 data to move D7. After rotate instruction, what will be the accumulator? Here the carry the 0 to move here, this 0 to move D0 position, 0, the D0 data to move D1, D1 data move to D2 and D2 move D3 like that. Okay. This is the accumulator result after RLC A. Now the carry 0 and accumulator result 0, 1, 0, 0 means 4 and 0, 1, 1, 0 means 6, 46. This is the accumulator result when after RLC A instruction. What is the difference between these two instructions? 21 and 22 means this is for rotate accumulator content left without carry, and this is for rotate accumulator content with carry also. This is the main difference. Both are rotate and both are left. And the first instruction without carry and second instruction is with carry. Okay. Next, 23rd instruction R or A. R or A means rotate accumulated content right without carry. Rotate accumulated content right without carry. Or LA means rotate accumulated content left without carry, and this is for rotate accumulated content right without carry. Okay, rotate accumulated content right without carry. Here the bit position this is for D0 position, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6 and D7 data. Here rotate accumulated content right. Right means the D0 bit data to move D7 position. The D7 position data to move D6, D6 to D5, D5 to D4, D4 to D3, D3 to D2, D2 to D1 and D1 to D0. This is the operation of rotate accumulated content right without carry. The single bit data movement towards right side. D0 to D7 and then D7 to D6, D1 to D0. How to write this one? D0 bit data to move D7 position and then Dn plus 1 position. Dn plus 1 position data to move Dn position. D7. Here n plus 1 means 7. Okay. 7th position data to move 6th position. Okay. Towards right side. Example MOV A comma 20 hash 29H. MOV A comma hash 29H. Now register A 29H. 2 means 0010. 9 means 1001H. Okay. Now or A. Or A means rotate the accumulated content right. Okay, without carry. Now the D0 bit data to move D7th position. D0 bit data to move D7th position. Here the data in accumulator 29 0 0 1 0 0. This is 1 0 0 1. After R or A, okay, the D0 bit data to move D7 and then D7 data to move D6. This is for D7, D6 like that, D1, D0 and then D1 data to move D0. After R or A, now register A equal to D0 to move D7. D7 is 1, D7 to D6, D6 to D5, D5 to D4 and D4 to D3, D3 to D2 and then D2 to D1 and D1 to D0. After R or A, now accumulated result is 94H. The 94 data to move A register. This is the operation of rotate accumulator content right without carry. It will move the single bit position towards right side. Okay. Next, 24th instruction or C A. What is the difference between 23rd and 24th instruction? Both are rotate accumulator content right, and 23rd instruction without carry and 24th instruction with carry. Okay, rotate accumulator content right with carry. The bit format, this is the carry and this is the total 8-bit data format. This is for D0 bit, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6 and D7. Here the rotate accumulator content right with carry. Here the D0 bit data to move carry, and then the carry bit data to move D7 position. The D7 position data D6, D6 to D5, D5 to D4, D4 to D3, D3 data to D2, and D2 data to D1, and D1 data to D0 position. This is the operation of rotate accumulator content right with the carry status. Okay. Now the D0 bit position data to move carry, and then the carry data to move D7 position. Okay, and then Dn plus 1 position data to move Dn position. Okay. Now first to clear the carry CL or C means now the carry Cy equal to 0. Now to set the accumulator content MOVA comma, accumulator content is 14H. MOVA comma hash 14H. The 14 data immediately to move A register. Now register A equal to 14H. 14 means 0, 0, 0, 1. 4 means 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay. Now we have to give the or C A. Here this is the format. This is for carry and this is for D7, D6 to D1 and this is for D0. Now CL or C, the carry 0 and accumulated data, this is for 0, 0, 0, 1 and this is for 0, 1, 0, 0. After or C A, rotate accumulator content right with the carry. After. Now the D0 bit data to move D carry status, and then carry bit data to move D7, and then D7 data to move D6, D6 to D5 like that, D1 data to move D0. After or C A, now the resultant. Now the D0 bit data to move carry, now the carry 0 and carry data to move D7 0 and then D7 data move D6 and then D6 data to move D5, D5 data to move D4 and then 0, 1, 0. Okay, after RRC, now the carry 0 and D7 bit 0, D6 0, D5 0, D4 0, D3 0, D3 1, D2 0, D1 1 and D0 0. Now what is the result in accumulator? 0 0 0 0 means 0, 1 0 1 0 means 10 in decimal and corresponding hexadecimal value A H. This is the operation of RRCA, rotate accumulator content right with the carry. It will move the single bit position towards right side. RLA, RLCA, RRA and RRCA. All the 4 instructions related to rotate instruction. The first 2 for rotate right and these 2 instructions for rotate right. This is for left and this is for right. And RL rotate accumulator content left without carry, and this is for rotate accumulator content left with the carry. RRA means rotate accumulator content right without carry, and RRC means rotate accumulator content right with the carry. There are 2 instructions for without carry and 2 instructions for with the carry, and 2 instructions for left and 2 instructions for right instruction. Total 4 rotate instruction. Okay. Last instruction 25, swap SWAP, swap the accumulator content. Okay, here accumulator content 8 bit. In accumulator, lower nibble of 4 bit data to move higher nibble of 4 bit, and then higher nibble of 4 bit data to move lower nibble of 4 bits. This is for interchange LSB 4 bit data to MSB, and then MSB 4 bit data to LSB. Interchange of 2 4 bit data, LSB to MSB and MSB to LSB. Only accumulator content, not some other content. Okay, here lower nibble 4 bit to higher nibble 4 bit, and then higher nibble 4 bit to lower nibble. Interchange LSB to MSB, and then MSB data to LSB. This is the operation of swap A. Only accumulator content, not some other content. Okay. Example: MOV A comma hash 95H. MOV A comma hash 95H. The 95 data immediately to move A register. Now register A equal to 95. 95 means 1001. 5 means 0101. This is the lower nibble data, and this is for higher nibble data. Okay, now to interchange lower nibble of 4 bit data to MSB, and the MSB 4 bit data to move lower 4 bit. Okay. After swap SWAP A. Now this 4 bit data to move here, and this 4 bit data to move this position. Now after swap A register 0101, and this 4 bit data to move this side 101. This is for 5 and this is for 9. Now register A equal to 59H. This is the interchange of lower nibble of 4-bit data to higher nibble 4-bit, and then higher nibble of 4-bit data to lower nibble of 4 bits. This is the operation of swap instruction. At a time it will exchange 4-bit data, and rotate and all it will move single bit movement position, either left or right, with carry or without carry. But in swap instruction, interchange LSB 4-bit to MSB, and then MSB 4-bit to LSB. Okay? Any doubt? No. Thank you.